Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 430D M Sport 2-door coupe in Estoril Blue. The vehicle is originally a 2014 build vehicle, comes with some very nice BMW options and of course that full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as a brand new set of 20-inch CS style alloys in frozen black. Sitting very nicely and very largely behind those, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes on this vehicle. At the front we do have the Angel Light and Xenon headlamps. Down the side, a very clean and tidy example. We've added the gloss black sidebars and satin side vinyls. Inside we've got a very nice contrasting interior in the shape of the coral red Dakota leather, which both drivers and passengers can not only enjoy heated seats, they do also come with electric memory and movement for driver's side. It does of course come with that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside a very clean Isofix rear bench, and we do also have the dark M Sport headlining of course. Making our way to the back of the car, where again you can see it is a very clean and tidy example on how well the 20-inch alloys work set against the very popular Estoril Blue. At the back we've opted to go for both the high gloss rear spoiler and matching diffuser. If you've not yet seen how big the boot space is for the 2-door coupe 4 series, you will be very pleasantly surprised. There is also split folding seats. If you would of course like to find out a little bit more about this vehicle, including all of the prices and funding options available, all you have to simply do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. And again, from there you can view more of our amazing in-stock ready to drive away examples. Heading on inside the car now, we shall of course show you more of the interior details, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen we have on this car. In terms of multimedia, as you can currently see on screen, we've got Bluetooth media, AUX and a USB input. There is also DAB. We've got the sat-nav system, which is one of the easiest and most efficient on the market. Really nice user-friendly system here. And there is also Bluetooth telephone of course. Heading back to the main menu, we'll check out the service history in just 1 second. There is dual climate controls along with switches for the heated seats. In terms of mileage, it's covered just over 60,000 miles, which for a 2014 year vehicle, and of course bearing in mind this is the 3-litre diesel, is absolutely nothing for these vehicles. Everything still feels and looks exactly the same as if it had done a lot less mileage or even a lot newer vehicle. As you can see, we've got BMW history on the car, including the first service all the way up to service history at 47,922, and we are going to be shortly carrying out a service of our own on the vehicle as it is coming up to the service mileage and date. So there is a look around another very nicely presented 430D 2-door coupe. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourselves very soon. Again, if you do want more information on the car, all you have to do is follow those links I'll leave for you in the description. Thank you. Bye bye.